Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate pancakes. Yummy. I love some chocolate pancakes. They're really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Alright, start by heating up your griddle to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you're using your stovetop, just go ahead and set it to medium heat. Now let's go ahead and take our one large egg and put it in a bowl. Take a whisk. Let's just whisk this up a little bit. That's good. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Let's give it another whisk. All right, now let's add in 1 cup of milk. And you can use almond milk if you're lactose intolerant. You can use whole milk, 1%, 2%, whatever you want to do. All right, fantastic. Now let's go ahead and put in our dry ingredients. I'm just gonna use a sifter that I have here, but if you don't have one, that's okay. This just helps to get everything all nice and blended together, especially the cocoa powder. Sometimes the cocoa powder can get kind of lumpy. So that's why I'm going to use this. I'm going to start with my flour, and it's okay if it comes out to the sides a little bit. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. And down below the video in the description box, I will list all the ingredients. 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just tap the sides a little bit. All right, easy as that. And then with a spoon or a whisk, let's just go ahead and whisk our batter together here. I like this silicone whisk because it also acts as a scraper when you go around the sides. So I really like it. And you just mix it until it's a nice, even consistency. Or if you make pancakes all the time, then just like a nice thick pancake mixture. That looks great. If it's too thick, go ahead and add in a little bit more milk. And if you want your pancakes to be thinner as well. Nice. This is ready to go. And then how to tell if your pan is hot enough, just take some water and flick it on the pan, and when it sizzles, you know it's ready to go. Now you may or may not need like some butter or some like oil on your pan. And you just take I take like a 1/4 cup to start with. Winds up being about a 1/2 cup worth, depending on how big you want to make them. And there we go. Let these cook. All right, and then we're gonna cook them until the sides around it are gonna get nice, kind of like a dry, and it's gonna be a little bit bubbly, and then we'll know that it's time to flip it. All right, usually just takes about a couple of minutes. I don't know if you can notice here on the camera, but the edges are kind of like dull in color. There's a few little bubbles on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and just flip it with a spatula. Just like that. Oh yeah, looking good. And then this other side will take a little bit less time than the first side, about a minute, minute and a half. All right. Yeah, looking good. And then just go ahead and transfer it over to a plate and then cook up the rest of them. All right, once our chocolate pancakes are done, time to top them off. And I'm gonna go ahead and use some powdered sugar, because why not? We all like some powdered sugar, don't we? Oh yeah, and then because I love fruit and raspberries. Awesome. Chocolate pancakes. All right, there you go. That's how you make chocolate pancakes. Super easy to do, very few ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah, super excited.